Ryan here with the Delzell Group, and just last week we gave you a sneak peek of this new listing in Carmel Valley in Sansonay, and we are now officially on the market and holding a open house for the brokers today. So I wanted to give you a quick tour of the property inside and take a look at the backyard and the views. So let's go inside. The home has beautiful upgrades that are just accented by some professional staging that we organized on this listing. So excellent open floor plan, hardwood floors, warm paint colors, and a dining room with patio, French doors off to the side patio. Upgraded flooring throughout, whether the hardwood floors, the slate in the kitchen, the upgraded carpeting. Beautiful gourmet kitchen with upgraded cherry cabinets, granite, stainless steel package, and beautiful natural light going out to the backyard through the French doors. The western orientation is perfect with ocean views from both the first and second story. And again, elegant built-ins in the family room, fireplace. So let's take a look upstairs. Part of the appeal to this floor plan is just the openness of it. You have a loft up here that can be used as an office or a play area for the kids. Beautiful wood built-ins again in the loft. You have an office, bathroom, and a nice large bedroom, which these folks are using as a workout room. And then swinging back to the master. Master just, as you can see, offers great natural light and amazing ocean, whitewater ocean views all the way to the coast. And a generous sized master, ceiling fans, crown molding, his and her closets, nice generous sized tub, again ocean views from the master bathroom, marble countertops, marble floors, so an exquisite home, beautifully maintained and very well priced on a private, quiet cul-de-sac street with ocean views. Listed currently for $1,095,000. For more information, go to delzellgroup.com or give us a call at 858-755-7740.